Greetings. So I'm here because I can't with the root color being green and the length color being blue. So we're gonna do a little experiment and put this on it, which, you know, fuck around and find out. We're gonna fuck around and find out. I'm not too set on any one color, so this is yeah, we're gonna find out what happens. It's Pulp Riot, not Pulp Riot, Pravana Garnet, and my reasoning behind using this color, because it's just like a purpley red color, is that after like 2 washes it would just look blue, and I don't really want to use it again to try to have red hair at some point, which I'm kind of considering doing my hair red at some point. Obviously we're a long way from that, but I'm in my keep my hair dark era and just mess around with it a bit. So here we are. Right, anyway, Pravana Garnet and some Pulp Riot Pyro that I had left. I actually really like the color of these two mixed up. It's like blood. I do like a blood red. It's literally like blood. But it wouldn't work to put it on my hair to achieve this color, because it wouldn't stay this color longer than one wash. So anyway, here we are. I'm just gonna put it on my roots and we'll see what happens. Hopefully I don't end up with the opposite problem from what I have right now. So I want the green to be more blue, but it's so dark that I don't think it'll work to just put blue on it. So yeah, I've got some logic behind this ridiculous stupid thing I'm doing right now, but we'll see if it works. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. It's looking more promising than the last color. God, how did my mirror get so dirty? Ugh. Yes, I'm not totally sure what my goal is, besides neutralizing some green. And I don't really know what my next step is going to be. We'll find out. It's an experiment. So at my own insistence, I'm even further away from Invisalign Freedom Day, which is annoying, because I went and my dentist thinks that it's good enough, basically, but I'm like, no, I spend money on this shit. It's good enough, it's not good enough. It's gotta be damn perfect. And yeah, it's not perfect, so unfortunately that means shoot myself in the foot and end up needing more trays, because yeah, I'm not happy with where it is right now. I'm like, if I'm gonna spend that kind of money on it, then I want perfection. I've got the trays in, so you can't really see it. There's like gaps at the base of my bottom teeth, and it's not freaking cool. Like, I can swish my mouth, will swish water in my mouth, and like squirts in my teeth. Like, that's not okay. But every time I bring it up, I brought it up the last 3 appointments, and they just like don't acknowledge what I've said. So like, does that mean that they're just gonna be there, that it's hopeless? Like, I don't get it. I don't understand. Why aren't you acknowledging my problem? But yeah, so I don't even know how many more tries that'll be. They didn't even say. just more, which sucks because I hate them. I hate them so much. I've complained about this multiple times. But, yeah. Hopefully I don't end up with like blue and then a weird little purple band and then more blue. We will see. But again, both these reds faded exceptionally fast. The blue under the red, not so much, but the red itself did. So here we are. Do you have anything else to talk about? I don't know. I started playing Tears of the Kingdom again. Totally consumed my life again. So that means my little Zelda-thon done the original game, Link to the Past, Ocarina of Time, Majora's Mask. Oracle Seasons, Oracle Pages, Link's Awakening. Anything else? I don't think so. I've got 4 swords kicking around somewhere. Well, one of the 4 swords. I think it must be Adventure. I think, am I missing one? I don't know. Anyway, I'm partway through my Zelda-thon. And go back to Tears of the Kingdom just because it's been a while. You know how Spotify does that Wrapped thing? Turns out the Nintendo does too. Maybe as of the end of last year, I'd spent, I think it was 520 hours playing Tears of the Kingdom, which could be worse. It could be worse. It's not that bad. From May until January, you know, it's not that bad. Okay, I can't think of anything else to talk about, so I'm just going to speed through the rest of this. Enjoy the silence. Okay, I have a lot left. So, do I want to put it over everything? Do I want to dilute it a bit and put it over everything? I think I might do that. We'll call it a conditioning treatment. See what happens. Why not? I don't want to put it full strength on the lengths because it's probably a bad idea to do it at all. Okay, that's like half strength. There's some concern that it might turn the roots of my hair brown, but shouldn't happen with the lengths. We'll see what happens. Well, like, why even pretend like I'm going into things with a plan? The plan evolves. It's a process of evolution. This is still fairly dark. I'm going to end up with the exact same problem as before. This looks surprisingly red considering my base color, but I don't expect it to look this color when I rinse. And again, I'm trying to allay my inner panic because these reds both wash out really fast, so it'll be fine. Whatever the hell I'm doing right now, it's gonna be fine. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I can't waste it, so, you know, here we are. What are we doing? It'll be fine. It's all fine. It's fine. I just ended up with an interesting purple. Yeah, see, it's looking more purple there. Okay, I'm a little less panicked now. The initial shock is worn off. Okay, I will be back tomorrow. We'll see what I've done. Okay, here we are. I think I got the best results that I could have possibly gotten. It's this nice, like, super dark purple color. The roots almost look black, so they're not brown, so that's a win. Yeah. So, I accidentally ended up with a really good hair color. I really like this dark purple. And of course, this is another thing that I'll never be able to recreate, but it looks really good. Anyway, that's that.